Hey guys, today we are going to be going through a bunch of fidget spinners. Let's count them.
What am I doing? I'm making
16 fidget spinners, alright? Here's the first one. One. We're just going through all these. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this with the other one. There you go. 2. This one's a glow in the dark, so that's 3. 4. This one's a little bit of a weird one, but 5. I'm going to spin that again. 5 is. This one's cool. A Batman 2 spinner.
Get it.
6 and banana.
Well, hey, where's the dog? Did you feed him? No.
Another 2 spinner. That's a Batman. Here's one too. Oh, that was a bad spin. Oh my gosh. Another Batman spinner. Another glow in the dark one. Oh, fell off my finger. And regular, again like the start. Another glow in the dark. Another Batman 2 spinner. And the regular spinner. And another regular spinner. And now here's like the other one, what I said was weird. It's just 2 colors. There we go. So that was just my video showing a bunch of fidget spinners. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.